Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're making the most flavorful, delicious Caribbean style fried fish. This fish right here, honey, it's everything you need. This is everything you've been missing. And let me tell you, I've been craving some fish. So I'm like, let me try to make this and show you guys how I make it. This is my way of making fried fish. I hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you did. Let me show you guys how it's done. Okay, here's my fish, nice and clean with lime and plenty of salt. Rinse it out. Now we're going to season it. What I just showed you guys was my epis, which I do have recipes on it. I will leave it on the screen. I'm using ground black pepper, maggi, sazon, which is only about 5 ingredients, with this scotch bonnet pepper, extremely hot. Now this is the fish, like I told you guys, it's been cleaned in lime water, in salt. Now we're going to season or marinating this fish from head to toe. Now I'm using the Epis. Epis, guys, is a Haitian green herbs blend. It's like a sofrito or more like a jerk seasoning, but not really. I do have a seasoning very similar. Like I said, you can even, if you have jerk seasoning, you can even marinate your fish with it and fry it as I'm doing right now, or sofrito, or if you would like to see the recipe, I will leave it on a card up there. Check it out, or in the description box. So we're going to add the epis all over the fish. Now I just added the ground black pepper because I don't have ground black pepper in my epis. Now I am adding some sazon. Okay, add that all over the fish, the crevices, the nooks, and all over. Okay, you want every bite of this fish to be extremely flavorful. Make sure all the seasoning is in there. All right, now once you're done adding all of this orange sazon seasoning, you're going to add in the, what is it, the scotch bonnet pepper. Now I want this to be extremely hot, so you're gonna see a lot of peppers, a lot of scotch bonnet in this recipe because that's just what I want. Okay, now I'm adding maggi to it. That is just a season in a cube form, basically. So it's maggi. A lot of people don't really like maggi. Every now and then I do use it when I do want to get that Haitian flavor. I do eat it, but today I was craving that Haitian flavor fish, so we wasn't going to not use maggi. Come on now. Haitian use maggi on everything. All right, so now we're going to add the maggi all over. Now I am gonna take the scotch bonnet pepper that I chopped up and add it into the crevices, you know, just add them all over. It will be spicy. Yes, it will be spicy. Just be aware of that. Why am I eating so much hot scotch bonnet pepper? Because guys, I'm expecting. A lot of you probably didn't know. Yes, I am, and I've been craving spicy. Spicy is the thing for me right now. So we're going to add the pepper and we're going to let the fish soak all of that goodness. We're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes, 15-20 minutes, so it can be nice and tasty. Now my oil, I am going to add some more flavor to. We're going to infuse some herbs in the oil. So I add the oil. I'm adding some green onion with thyme and a whole scotch bonnet in there. All right, this will give your fish the most unique. If you're looking for Caribbean style flavor this right here, try it, and it will make your fish taste so good. Like the all the herbs will infuse through the oil, and the fish will just soak it all up. Now here I have some flour. We're going to lightly, when I said lightly flour this fish, because we're not trying to eat some bread, some fried bread. We are eating fried fish. Well, at least for me, that's how I like it. All right, so we're going to add a little bit of flour over the fish, very lightly. Don't overdo it. I heard the flour will help it from burning, but we're not adding too much flour, just a little bit, just because that's how I like it. I like to actually taste the meat and not breading, not fried dough. We're not doing that. And of course, make sure you get the inside as well. And the flour that I'm using is plain flour. Of course, you can season it. It's not really gonna make any difference because your fish already has all the seasoning, the awesomeness in it already. All right, this is it right here. Now it's time to fry the fish. Ooh, I'm ready to eat some fried fish. All the seasoning is just soaked in the fish meat. Now we're going to add the fish to the oil, just like so, and we're going to let it fry. Okay, now I'm frying my fish for about 10 minutes per side because I want it to be nice and crispy. If you don't like crispy fried fish, you can fry it up to 7 minutes, I will say, but I like it to be nice and crispy, so we're going to fry it 10 minutes per side. When I tell you the scotch bonnet, the thyme, the green onion releases so much flavor through this fish, trust and believe the flavor. As this frying, you can smell it. Now what I am about to do right now is baste the fish. I'm putting all the herbs on top of the fish. Then we're going to take the oil and just baste the fish so all that flavor can release through the fish meat, flesh. Oh, I'm so excited to eat it. I am so excited, y'all. Y'all don't know. We're just going to baste the fish just like so. Ooh wee, look at that, guys. It's already looking delicious. And you can see all the oil is just went in through the scotch bonnet, so you know this oil is hot, it's spicy. All right, now it's time to flip the fish over. So we're just going to flip it over just like that, very carefully, so we don't break it. Then we're going to basically do the same thing over, baste the fish and let it cook. All right. And if you're new here, you have not subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe so you can be in the family. We make awesome, delicious food over here that I'm sure you will enjoy. If you enjoy that recipe you're watching right now, consider to subscribe today. All right, once my fish is done, I made some type of dressing to put on my fish. It's hot, it's spicy, made out of onion, lime, scotch bonnet, maggi. It's mixed. If you guys would like to see a recipe, let me know. I don't know what you call it. Very similar to a Jamaican sauce, but this is it. I hope you guys enjoy this flavorful fried fish right there. Look at that meat. Look, take a look at this and tell me you can tell this fish has some flavor in it. All right, and it's crispy. Very, very, I was trying to show you guys how crispy this fish was. Oh my God. But once you open it up, the meat is so tender. It's so flavorful. Sauce that I made was perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect with this fish. I hope you guys enjoy it. I really do. And if you did, do not hesitate to give the video a thumbs up for me. Share the video, subscribe, and comment down below as well. And you will see me on the next video. Bye.